Hey y'all, let's make jalapeno honey butter cornbread.
Okay guys, we're gonna start this recipe by putting our cast iron skillet in a 400-degree preheated oven while we mix our cornbread together. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we have 1.5 cups of, I like the Lamb's stone ground cornmeal. We're gonna put that in with 1/2 cup of unbleached all-purpose flour. Let's give this a little stir. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're gonna have 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna get that mixed into our cornmeal and flour. One cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of any oil, but I'm using olive oil today. Two eggs. And we're gonna get this all mixed together. I love to add jalapeños to this, but I'm actually out. So today we're just having plain honey butter cornbread, but I love jalapeno honey butter cornbread. If you're gonna do the jalapeno, you're just gonna dice some jalapeños and put those in now when we're putting in our corn. Okay. Now that this is all mixed together, you don't wanna over mix, you just wanna make sure everything is nice and blended together. Now we're gonna add 1/2 cup of corn. I'm using frozen corn, but you can use canned or fresh, whatever you have. We're just gonna give this one little mix. Okay, and then let me get our heated up cast iron out of the oven. So our pan is nice and hot. We're gonna take a stick of butter. We're just gonna go all around the edges. Make sure you get it all the way up to the top. That way your cornbread does not stick. Now we're gonna take our cornbread mixture, pour this in here. Okay, and this is gonna go back into our 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. At 20 minutes, you wanna stick it with a little toothpick and make sure that it's not still raw in the center. If it's not, go ahead and pull it so you don't dry it out. Okay, it's been 20 minutes and our cornbread is ready to come out, so let's get that out and we're gonna finish it off. Okay. I did test the center of this. It is good. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons of melted butter and pour that over the top. And you wanna make sure you do this while the cornbread is still hot, right out of the oven. Now we're gonna take our honey. We're gonna drizzle our honey right over the top. Okay, this is gonna soak in while the cornbread is cooling and it's ready to go. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe.